Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Infinix Zero 8i. And guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Infinix, and in this price range we got a lot of unique features that we don't see in this price range. So guys, in this video we're gonna unbox the Infinix Zero 8i and let's see what this Infinix has to offer in this price range. And guys, this phone it is costing around 35,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So let's quickly unbox this phone, and first I'm going to show you the main specification about the phone. And you can see, and guys, on the back a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset, which is a really good chipset in this price range. And also we have a 6.85 inch full HD 90 Hz refresh rate display, but this is a IPS LCD display, not a Super AMOLED. And also we have a 128 GB of internal storage with a 8 GB of RAM, and the battery size on this phone it is a 4500 mAh battery size with a 33 watt super fast charging. On the back we got a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and also we have a AI lens on the back. On the front we got a dual front facing camera, and you can see, and the main sensor on the front is a 16 megapixel. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide, and also we have a liquid cooling technology on this phone, as well as a battery video stabilization. So let's quickly unbox the Infinix Zero 8i and let's see what this Infinix has to offer in this phone. And guys, look at this spec sheet. This phone give you everything that you want in this price range. We get a MediaTek Helio G90T, which is a really good chipset in this price range. I would say one of the best chipset in this price range. So, and the color I have is the green color. So let's open this box. And guys, on the top we get a 1-year warranty card because this phone it is officially launched in Pakistan market. And guys, here is the Infinix Zero 8i. Let's out the phone from this box, and you can see Infinix Zero 8i. So now I'm gonna just put the side here and look inside the box. And guys, you can see that we get this sticker. And guys, inside of this box we also get a mini box which contain a Infinix stickers, and you can see Infinix stickers. And also we have a X Club, and you can see again 1-year warranty card. And also we have a screen protector, but I have to say, and the screen protector it is not pre-applied on this phone. The silicone case with the Infinix Zero 8i, and you can see it is a soft silicone case that you are getting with the Infinix Zero 8i. And guys, inside of this box we also get a cable as well as the adapter, and also this is a USB Type-C cable. And you can see unique feature on the Infinix Zero 8i, because before we also see micro USB from Infinix, but now we get a USB Type-C cable, big adapter, and the ampere rating on this adapter, and you can see it is a 10 volt with a 3.3 ampere 33 watt super fast charging. And also we have a 4500 mAh battery size. I would say the battery size it is a little bit smaller, I believe. At least we got a 5000 mAh battery size for the 6.85 inch. And also we have a 90 Hz refresh rate. And guys, here is the Infinix Zero 8i. And guys, now let's remove this from the back, and you can see, and on the back we also get a rainbow effect, and you can see, but I have to say in the back it is made up of plastic. And now let's remove this as well from the front, and you can see. So now let's quickly boot this phone up and give you a physical overview about the Infinix Zero 8i. And guys, on the bottom we get a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. And on the right hand side we get a SIM tray. And guys, you can see that you can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. And guys, on the back we got a quad cameras on the back in this diamond design, and you can see, and the volume rocker, as well as the side mounted fingerprint scanner, as well as a power on button. It is on the right hand side. On the top we got nothing. And also on the front we got a dual front facing camera, and you can see, and the weight it is really good on this phone because we have a 4500 mAh battery size. We also see 5000 mAh battery size in this display size. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, here is the first boot of the Infinix Zero 8i, and you can see. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed is also really fast on this phone. And guys, let me increase the brightness, because the brightness I would say it is not really bright. And guys, here is the notification area of the Infinix Zero 8i. So now let me go to the And guys, right now I can feel the 90 Hz refresh rate. Let me go to the display area first, and now let's see the screen refresh rate. And you can see this phone, it is running at 90 Hz refresh rate. And you can see we also have a auto switch option on this phone. And you can see this phone, it is running on Android 10. And you can see, and also we have a XOS version 7 and 128 GB of internal storage out of 117 GB. It is available for you guys. And also we have a 8 GB of RAM on this phone. And guys, and the punch hole, I would say, bigger on this phone. And you can see, and between these two cameras, so much space. And you can see that you also see some ads on this phone. And you can see there are some apps that is pre-installed on this phone. You can uninstall that as well. And you can see, which is a good thing as well. And guys, now let's look at the camera. And you can see here is the normal. And guys, this phone also have a ultra wide. And you can see the ultra wide looks like this. And you can see, and also we have a 2x, which is a digital zoom. In the video section, let's see the video recording size. And you can record full HD with a 60 fps as well as a 4K with a 30 fps video. And also we have this ultra steady shot on this phone, which give you a better video stabilization. And also we have a beauty mode as well as a bokeh effect, which is also work on objects. And also we have a super night feature on this phone. Also we have a short video option on this phone, and you can see, and you can also record videos from ultra wide as well. And you can see, so now let's look at the front camera. And guys, in the front camera, it is coming at 16 megapixel. And you can see here is your normal. And also we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide, which looks like this. And you can see, and the quality of the ultra wide looks really good as well. Let me see the video recording size with the front camera. And the front camera also give you ultra steady mode, which is a really good feature as well. Let's see the video recording size with the front camera. And same, you can also record full HD 60 fps with the 4K 30 fps video even with the front camera. And the front camera also give you a flash. Yes, the front camera also give you a flash. And guys, and the main highlighting feature about the Infinix Zero 8i is the chipset. This phone gave you a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset. And guys, I would say I definitely recommend this phone for gaming as well. So guys, that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Zero 8i. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And overall, I have to say that I really impressed by the Infinix Zero 8i because we have a 90 Hz refresh, which makes everything more smoother with the MediaTek Helio G90T. And also we have a 33-watt fast charging on this phone. You don't have to worry about the battery life. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.